1-star diver, open water. Basic level to access underwater activities in a natural environment under the direct supervision of a dive guide. Max 20m. Diver 1-star. Have you always wanted to? So don't wait any longer to start your diver training. The underwater world opens up to you. First Diver's Certificate. The Level 1 course takes place in 8 sessions of approximately 3 hours, including a theoretical component in the classroom and a practical component in the swimming pool. Before your certification, you must pass a final assessment of your theoretical knowledge and practical skills. To obtain your Level 1 certification, you will then need to successfully complete 4 dives in a natural environment. 4 dives. 4. Assemble, use, clean and store your equipment. Control your buoyancy underwater. Manage any problems that arise underwater. Take maximum pleasure with minimum risk. Theory. 4. Understand the physical phenomena that govern diving. Know and understand how your equipment works. Understand what the good behavior of the diver is. This certificate allows you to dive anywhere in the world under the supervision of a guide, within the limit of 20 meters deep. Prerequisite: good health and physical condition. Know how to swim and be comfortable in the water.